If you want to glow up in 2023, this is the only video you're ever going to need to do so. With advancements in technology, it has never been easier to glow up, and that is why I have asked AI to give me 7 top tips on how to glow up. If you follow these 7 tips, you're going to learn how to glow up physically and mentally. It's going to change your life for the better. You're going to feel better in the morning. You're going to have more energy. Your mood is going to improve. Your cognitive function is going to increase, and therefore you're going to be able to do more productive tasks to a higher quality and standard. There is so many benefits to glowing up and leveling up your life. So let's get stuck into these 7 tips on what AI recommends you do to glow up in 2023. Now, some of these may seem basic and overused, but simple is good. All you need to do is follow these tips. Most people do not follow them. They don't do them at all, and that is why they don't live the life they want. Keep in mind there is no magic solution, and none of these are going to work without consistency and hard work. So do these over a period of time, not just expecting results in a week. You have to consistently do them over and over again. Number 1 is to get a good night's sleep. This is essential for your health and well-being. Getting 7 to 9 hours every single night is going to make sure you feel rested and rejuvenated for the coming day. If you do not get your sleep, your mood is not going to be as good. You're not going to have as much energy. You're not going to get as much work done, and you're not going to feel like doing the things that you need to do, making it harder for you to achieve your goals. Think of it like this, and I've used this analogy before, but when you go to sleep, you probably most likely have a phone. You put that phone on charge so that you can use it the next day. It's the same with your body. Your body needs to recharge and re-energize itself so that it can have the battery power to do the tasks it needs to do to be productive the next day. If you don't charge it, it won't function to its maximal level. Number 2 is to exercise regularly. Out of this whole entire list, this is the number 1 thing I think you should be doing to level up your life. It gives you confidence. It's going to improve your mood, increase your energy levels. It's going to allow you to feel better and more confident in yourself. It's going to make you feel better mentally because you have done something hard and you have completed that task. Exercise can not only be a tool to sculpt your body, but to also sculpt your mind. Your mind is your most powerful tool that you have. The things that you can do with your mind are endless. Your imagination is the only thing that is going to limit you to what you can do and produce. If you want to actually live the life you want to live, you have to get on the same side and control your brain, not let your brain control you by giving into these instant gratification things like scrolling on social media, binge eating junk food, things like that. If you want to control your mind, you have to first learn how to do that. And if you want to do it, exercise is an amazing way to start. Doing hard things when you don't want to do them. That is how you gain control over your mind. Number 3 is to eat a healthy and balanced diet. Once again, one of the most important things that you can possibly be doing, yet so many people neglect it and just go ahead and eat whatever they want because it's what they feel like. You cannot do things because of what you feel. You have to do them because it's what you want to achieve. Do things for a purpose. By eating a healthy and balanced diet, you're going to give your body the right nutrients and minerals and vitamins, all of that good stuff that it needs to function and be productive for the day. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, protein sources like lean meats are all amazing sources of food. They're easy to eat, they're tasty, and you can do them over a long period of time consistently. All of these things are going to tie hand in hand. Because if you don't eat a healthy and balanced diet, you're not going to have the energy to do your exercise. If you don't do exercise, you're not going to get a good night's sleep because you're not going to be very tired. All of these things tie in with each other, so you need to be doing them all in order to get the best results possible. Number 4 is to always hydrate yourself. Not only does water help rehydrate you, it has so many more benefits than that, and that is why it is our essential source of life pretty much. Well, that's how I look at water. It's our source of life and what we need to live. Not only does it rehydrate you, like I said before, it helps to flush toxins out of your body, helps improve your skin and make it look clearer. It also boosts your energy levels. If you don't drink enough water, you're going to feel tired and lazy throughout the day. You're going to feel like you are a bit dizzy in the head. You're not going to be able to do all the things you want to do. Invest in a good bottle so that you can fill it up with water consistently throughout the day. Carry it around you because you're much more likely to drink from that bottle if it's right next to you than if you have to go and fill up a cup every single time you feel thirsty. Carry that bottle of water around with you, have consistent sips of water throughout the day, and that's going to ensure that you stay hydrated. Number 5 is to practice good hygiene. It's the little things that make the most difference. Things like cutting your nails, making your skin look good, having a nice fresh haircut. All of these things are going to play a part in how you appear. So develop a proper skincare routine, have your hair cut on a regular basis, and consistently wash your hair. And then keep your nails, if you're a guy, keep them nice and short, not dirty and long. This is going to make sure that you make yourself appear that you take care of yourself properly and don't disregard how you look. Number 6 is how you dress. Wear clothes that not only make you feel comfortable, but also make you feel confident in what you are wearing. You can go out and experiment with different clothes and different styles, do a bit of research on your own, and find what works for you. Having your own unique style is very important because it's going to allow you to feel confident in yourself, not only in public, but when you're at home so that you can be productive. If you go around the whole day in your pajamas, you're not going to get anything done because you feel like lazy. You feel like you're tired because that is what your pajamas are meant to be. They're meant to be comfy, not confident. When you get up, have a shower and then get dressed in some smart shirt, smart pants or shorts. It doesn't matter. Just get dressed in clothes that make you feel like you want to work and work towards something with a purpose, a meaning and direction behind it. Finally, number 7 is to meditate or taking care of your mental health. Meditation is a great way to do this because you're going to be able to reduce your stress, reduce your anxiety, be in the present moment so that you can actually enjoy the moments of life. When you enjoy those little moments in life, it makes it so much more enjoyable. It makes it so much better because you're not just passing over everything. You're not just watching your life fly by and going through the motions. You're taking each minute as it comes and every second as it passes. Because the past is already gone, the future hasn't come yet, but the present is now. What can you do now to help you level up and glow up? Because that is what you ultimately want to do. How can you live that life you want to live right now? Just remember that because someone else is getting results, you cannot compare yourself to them because everyone's journey is different. Everyone is on a different path to getting to a different place. Don't compare your life to someone else's. Be patient with yourself and focus on that goal that you have. Write down that one specific thing that you want to achieve 6 months from now. Work towards that day in, day out. What do you want to do? How are you going to get there? Make a plan, step by step. How are you going to do it? Follow those 7 habits I gave you in this video, and I promise you, your life is going to flick like that. It's going to change in those 6 months for the better. I promise you, if you follow these things. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you want more help with this, I have a completely free guide linked in the description, free workout plan, how to build discipline, how to build habits and live a better life. It's all completely for free. Go down, sign up with the link below, and I'll send it over to you for free. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you got value from it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.